Good day everyone! Welcome to my vlog or session on Gay-Lussac's law. It's actually a law named after Joseph Louis Gay-Lussac, one of the gas laws ni si Gay-Lussac's law. It's denoted by the equation P sub 1 over T sub 1 equals P sub 2 over T sub 2. It states that pressure is directly proportional to temperature at constant volume. So pressure denoted by letter P, capital letter P. Temperature denoted by letter T, capital gapon, and volume is denoted by letter V, which is also written in capital letter. Now, using Gay-Lussac's law, what do you think will be the formula in finding for the initial pressure when the rest of the quantities are given? Initial temperature, final pressure, and final temperature. Looking for the initial pressure, wala may gihatag na specific values for the rest of the quantities. So, just use the equation or the formula for Gay-Lussac's law. So, tagipangita ganina. What will be the equation in finding for the initial pressure? So, kanaray mong gamiton. So, good ka sa formula and then cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you put the quantities together. P sub 1, T sub 2, T sub 1, and P sub 2. So, to right, asa man mo unknown, nasa left side ni may butang for your convenience na. Pwede gyapon sa right side good, but for your convenience and for simplicity purposes, put your unknown quantity on the left side of the equation. So, there say unknown, P sub 1, kasi itapan T sub 2. P sub 1, write it. Then, yung product, T sub 2. Diba? Kina-cross multiply man ka. And then, you have T sub 1, P sub 2, or P sub 2, T sub 1. It will still be the same product. Same answer. So, just like when you say 2 times 5, 5 times 2. So, same product. So, di mag-matter ang iyahang arrangement as long as correctly done mo ang pag-cross multiply. Okay? Now, finding for kinsa to? P sub 1 or the initial pressure, you divide both sides of the equation by the quantity beside your unknown. Kasi mo unknown, si P sub 1 o imo initial pressure. Iyang tapad, T sub 2 or ang final temperature. Meaning mo na imuhang denominator on both sides, si T sub 2. So, T sub 2 divided by T sub 2 is actually equal to 1. So, cancel out na. Then, copy the remaining. T sub 1 ang habilin sa left side. Then, on the right side of your equation, wala kayo na-cancel out, meaning you have to copy everything. And this will be your final formula in finding for the initial pressure. You have to multiply the initial temperature by the final pressure and then divide the product by the final temperature. What if you are given specific values na this time? Example, initial pressure is still gapon, unknown. Final pressure for atmosphere, temperature initial 30 degrees Celsius, temperature which is final is 40 degrees Celsius. Saan to? Don't forget to convert your Celsius into Kelvin always. So, muna ang rule ni gas laws. Kung na ay Celsius nga given, convert that into Kelvin by adding 273. That is our agreement. So, karon 30 plus 273, that is 303 Kelvin ang unit. Then, kani 40 plus 273, that is 313. Yeah, Kelvin gapon ang unit. Solution. Ato naman giderive ka ganina ang equation in finding for initial pressure. Morning, kanina ato gamiton. Initial pressure equals initial temperature multiplied by the final pressure and divided by the final temperature. Okay. Substitute. What is your initial temperature? 303 Kelvin. Do not forget the unit. Put that inside the parentheses. What is your final pressure? Given na 4 atmosphere. Divided by what is the final temperature? 313 Kelvin. What unit can be cancelled out? Ang makancel out na unit kana naa sa numerator o denominator, same unit nga naa sa ibabaw ug ubos sa imuhang equation. So ang ibabaw ug ubos nga same is Kelvin. Then perform the operations. 303 times 4 pila? Compute. That is equal to pila man? 1,212. Di mo equal sign itungod-tungod. 1,212. What is the unit attached? That's atmosphere. Divided by 313. Napa ba unit diha? Wala na. Kaya mo na nag-cancel out ka ganina. Si Kelvin na-cancel out na na. Now, what is the answer? When you divide 1,212 atmosphere divided by 313. The answer is 3 point. Round off your final answer to 2 decimal places. Muna to agreement. Class. Or for my students. It's up to you. It's up to your teacher. So for me, I'll let my students round off the final answer to the up to 2 decimal places. And then the unit is atmosphere. The answer is initial pressure equals 3.87 atmosphere. Tingnan na ha? So, ito naman nag-dive ganina ang formula. In finding for the initial pressure, ito nga ito i-substitute ang given to the formula and then perform the operations. 303 times 4 atmosphere, then divide by 313, get the product, 1,212, 303 times 4 is 1,212. What is the unit? Atmosphere, and habilin sa ibabaw. Ngayon, divide by 313, the answer is 3.87 atmosphere.